A picture is a visual element, such as a photo, logo, or illustration, that you insert into your document to make it more engaging or informative. They grab attention, explain complex ideas simply, add visual appeal, and can reinforce your brand. In Microsoft Word, inserting and properly formatting pictures is a core skill for anyone aiming for professionalism and efficiency. Benefits of pictures in a document. The following are some of the benefits of using images in a document. Clarity of information. A diagram or flowchart can explain a process better and more efficiently than paragraphs of text. Audience engagement. Visuals break up monotony, making long documents less daunting and more inviting to read. Professionalism. High quality, well-formatted images elevate your document's credibility and polish. Branding. Company logos, product shots, and consistent visual themes reinforce your organization's identity. Reduce information density. Sometimes, a picture can convey complex data, like a chart, instantly. Inserting pictures. Before you can make your pictures shine, you need to get them into your document. Word gives you a few common ways, including from your device and from stock images. Let's take them one at a time. 1. From your device, e.g., computer or mobile phone. This is the most straightforward method to insert images you already have saved in your device. To insert images from your device, do the following. Place your cursor where you want the picture to appear. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Illustrations group, click Pictures, then select this device. Or from File. In older versions, browse your device to find the image file you want to insert. When you locate the file, select it, and click Insert. You can also double-click on the image to insert it. The picture will appear on your document. 2. Stock images or online pictures. You can use a generic image not on your device. Word has a collection of stock images online. This method is efficient, as you don't need to leave Word or worry about image licensing. To use this method, do the following, and note that you must be connected to the internet. Place your cursor where you want the picture to appear. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Illustrations group, click Pictures, then select Stock Images or Online Pictures. In older versions, a new window will appear. You can search for images using keywords, e.g., teamwork, graph, nature, and select from Word's curated library of royalty-free images. You can also search by categories. Locate a suitable image you want to insert and select it. Click Insert to place the image in your document. The selected image will appear on your document at the exact position of your blinking cursor. Formatting pictures. Inserting a picture is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you format it to fit perfectly within your document. This is where your skills and expertise will come alive. The moment you click on an inserted picture in your document, a special contextual tab called Picture Format, or Picture Tools Format in older versions, will appear on your ribbon. This tab is your command center for all things picture-related. Let's perform some actions on our images. 1. Resizing pictures. To resize a picture, do the following. Click on the picture to select it. You'll see small circles, handles, at the corners and sides. To resize proportionally, always drag one of the corner handles. This keeps the picture's height and width in correct proportion, preventing image distortion. To resize precisely, use the height and width boxes in the size group on the Picture Format tab. Enter an appropriate value for the height or for the width, and press Enter on the keyboard. Common mistake: avoid dragging the side or top-bottom handles. This will stretch or squash your picture, making it look distorted. Use it only when a specific effect is desired. 2. Text wrapping. This is an important concept when integrating pictures with text. It controls how the text flows around your image. To wrap text around your image, do the following. Select the picture. On the Picture Format tab, in the Arrange group, click Wrap Text to explore the following options. In line with text, this is the default. The picture behaves like a single character of text. It is simple, but inflexible for layout. Square. The text flows around the picture in a square shape, maintaining a clean boundary. Tight. Text wraps closely around the actual shape of the picture, allowing for a more organic look. Top and bottom. Text appears only above and below the picture, leaving empty space on the sides. Behind text, the picture goes into the background, allowing text to flow over it. This is useful for watermarks or background designs. In front of text, the picture sits on top of the text, obscuring it. This is useful for overlays or call-out boxes. Choose any of the above options you think is suitable for your document layout. 3. Picture styles. You can give your picture a professional frame, shadow, or reflection with just one click using picture styles. To do this, select the picture. On the Picture Format tab, in the Picture Styles group, click the More button, the small arrow pointing down with a line above it, to expand the gallery. Hover over different styles to see a live preview. Select any suitable one to apply. Four. Corrections and adjustments. You can also make your pictures look their best by fine-tuning their appearance. To do this, select the picture. On the Picture Format tab, in the Adjust group, explore the following. Corrections. Select an option to adjust brightness and contrast, or sharpen and soften the image. Color. Change the saturation, vividness, tone, temperature, or recolor, e.g., grayscale, sepia, the image. Artistic effects. Apply any of the various artistic filters, e.g., pencil sketch, blur, line drawing, etc. Remove background. If you need to isolate the main subject of a photo, this tool helps you automatically or manually remove the background. 5. Cropping, trimming the excess. Use crop to cut away unwanted parts of your image without actually deleting the original pixels. Do this as follows. Select the picture. On the Picture Format tab, in the Size group, click Crop. Drag the black cropping handles that appear around the image to define the new boundaries. Click Crop again, or press Enter, to apply the crop. Note that cropping just hides parts of the image. You can always uncrop later if you change your mind. Documents with many large images become huge and slow to load or email. So, always use Compress Pictures to reduce the size. To use Compress Pictures, select the picture, go to Picture Format, on Adjust click on Compress Pictures. In the dialog that appears, choose a suitable options like Email, 96 ppi, if the document will be shared digitally. Reset the picture. To reset a picture to its original size and formatting if you've made too many changes and want to start over. Go to Picture Format, in the Adjust group, select Reset Picture. Pictures aren't just decorative, they are powerful tools that transform your documents from text-heavy to visually engaging masterpieces. Mastering how to insert them, resize them proportionally, control text wrapping, apply styles, and make basic adjustments is a key skill and crucial for creating professional, impactful documents in any work environment. Go forth and make your documents picture perfect.